Whatever industry you operate in, REMA TIP can partner with you to provide products and services tailored to your plant. From the pit to the port, our range of wear protection, conveying solutions and technologies, surface protection products and 24-hour service model increases your throughput potential by reducing downtime and improving plant availability. Tailor-made, engineered, heavy-duty lining plates absorb vibrations, reduce noise and increase wear life many times over. Our automotive business division supplies everything for tyres and wheels, including OTR patches and vulcanizing training for tyre repair for tyres of any size. In many industries, raw and aggregated material can be highly abrasive, causing damage and wear to unprotected machinery. REMA TIP wear protection products, combined with our expertise, ensures that systems like chutes and transfer points remain up and running beyond their normal lifespans. Conveyor systems are a critical part of any plant. We treat your conveyors like an integrated system, supplying premium products, advanced monitoring and analytics tools, and experienced conveyor engineering experts to keep you moving. REMA's wear protection range for screens and material handling equipment includes a variety of rubber lining and coating options with different compounds to achieve results that improve your availability. REMA mill lining systems are designed to your specific needs with wear-resistant elastomer materials that prolong service life, reduce noise, and improve the mill's efficiency. This in turn increases mill output and cuts energy consumption. Slurry handling can be a particularly vulnerable part of a plant's process. Rubber lining of pipes and hoses provides protection against wet wear and build-up. REMA TIP is the global leader in surface protection, with its R&D team continuously improving its range of primers, adhesives and corrosion protection systems. Our rubber, brick and ceramic tile lining systems, paired with our chemical engineering expertise, protects your mineral processing plant from acidic, corrosive and high-temperature solutions. So wherever you are in the world, whatever material you are processing, REMA TIP is here to partner with you to keep your plant and your systems up and running, to ensure you minimize your costs and your safety risks and maximize your potential. For more information, please contact REMA TIP